So this is a video that is going to be very light and fun and very short because you wanted the videos to be very short. So the series that I'm doing now, that is how to romanticize your life, it is going to come in various parts, and the parts are going to be very small, 5 to 7 minutes small, so that you can see them easily and learn from the videos as well while on the go. Hello everybody, I'm Gaurisha from Gratitude with Gaurisha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gaurishananda and I will help you become your best self and develop confidence. So this video, that is how to romanticize your life, we're going to talk about very simple things that you can follow in your everyday life. The first one is be mindful of your morning routine, because morning routine is the most important thing in your entire day. If your morning routine is well set, if your morning routine is perfect for you, your every day will go very productively. So we make choices every single day and we can choose to be happy, we can choose to be productive, we can choose to feel whatever we want to feel when we set intentions, and that we do through a morning routine. I have made a podcast on morning routines, so you can go check it out as well. Otherwise, another episode will come out very soon. Find joy in little things. So these little things in our life matter a lot, and it is these little things that make our mundane life beautiful. And these little things could be anything, like reading your favorite book, or maybe cooking something that you enjoy, cooking after a long time. That is also a very little thing, right? But it is very mundane. So how can we romanticize that? We can layer it with something that brings joy in our lives. For example, whenever you want to do something that you do not like doing, for example, it was maths for me, so I always used to play some nice music in the background so that it became easier for me. I think I talked about this in my last video as well. You love cooking and you love listening to podcasts with it. So you can just cook side by side and listen to podcasts, or maybe go for a walk and listen to podcast. Also, be very present when you are doing these little moments, right? Don't always live in the future or always live in the past. Stay in the present moment. Approach everything you do with love. I think it's very simple and it does not require any effort from your side, but it is the most giving thing that you'll ever do. It is the most rewarding thing that you'll ever do. Do everything that you do with love. Whether it's taking care of some loved one, whether it's cooking for some loved one, whether it's cooking for yourself, whether it's taking care of yourself, whether it's speaking, whether it's writing, whether it's reading. Do it with love. Approach everything with love and you'll see how everything becomes naturally easier. Approach everything you do softly and gently and you'll see it will all come back to you, because that's what happens in the universe. I read this in Rich Dad Poor Dad as well. I think you can see it right over there. So the book said that whenever you're short of something, give it to someone else and you will receive that in buckets. So make sure you follow that. Engage your senses. When you engage yourself fully in a situation, when you immerse yourself fully in a situation, you come into the flow state, and that makes things super easy and romanticizes your life as well. So right in this moment, think about what you can hear, what you can see, what you can taste in your mouth. Maybe it's the aftertaste of something you had. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel the surface on which you are sitting. Observe your surroundings. Smell something. What is the smell around you? Also, when you go into a park, engage your senses fully by noticing what the people are doing around you, feeling the grass beneath you, and listening to children play, seeing people walk by, smelling the air and smelling the wet soil around you. Those smells and those feelings are very good. You could also make your house smell very beautiful. This is a bonus tip, remember this, by boiling lemon peels, cinnamon, clove, or whatever else you want to add that smells good, and just boil these on a stove and leave it for some time, let it boil, but do not forget to shut off the gas later on, so that it just smells very good. The entire house will smell very, very, very good. You'll feel like you're living your dream life. Document your life. I think it's the most easiest thing we can do, and we do not do this. We can click pictures of everything that we enjoy. Click pictures of the sky, click pictures of yourself when you get ready, and click pictures of your surroundings, nature, and just enjoy yourself fully. And I said immerse yourself fully and document your life, because 10 years later, 20 years later, when you are old, when you look back, it is these moments you will look back. And life does not wait for anyone. So make sure you document your life so that you can feel that version of you once again. I was reading this quote a few days ago and I will read it to you right now. The number of hours we have together is actually not so large. Please linger near the door uncomfortably instead of just leaving. Please forget your scarf in my life and come back later for it. Also, when you document your life, do not worry about the aesthetics. Do not worry if your life looks the perfect version that you wanted or the perfect version you see on Instagram, because most of them are staged or most of them are made to look that way, right? You can make your surroundings beautiful slowly, and it happens gradually. You cannot do it like this. No one does. So what you can do is that you can just document your life and do not worry about the aesthetics, because you are the aesthetic. Okay, I think that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed the series thing I'm doing, because you wanted shorter videos, so I divided a longer video into some short parts. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider hitting the like button below. Also, if you want more such beautiful videos about, upgrading your life, about developing confidence, then please check out my channel below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.